Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I am doing this very different smoky with a nude lip look. I came into this video not knowing what I was going to do, but we decided to do like this very like stardust type smoky eye. Do you guys know that cool tones scare me? You guys know I already played with my Morphe X AVANI Greg palette and I had to use it again because the colors in there were immaculate. I also did a little twist onto my nose highlight where I just did a tiny little baby heart. I've been seeing this on TikTok. I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys see how I did this look. Here we are back with another Morphe X AVANI palette. I was just thinking to myself today, like, I don't know what else to film. I feel like there's not really many exciting makeup products out right now, so I was just like, perfect opportunity to get back into my AVANI palette that I just did a tutorial in. But I'm in love with all of the other colors. I mean, we did red, so this is like out of the picture. But what if we did blue or like green or a pink? I should have had you guys choose like on a poll or something, but I'm kind of like wanting to do the complete opposite of what we did last time. I wasn't gonna make a video today because I've been back to back, so I had to make myself like a little mini iced coffee. What if, I might sound a little crazy, but what if we do like a really dark smoky look and like we have this in the inner corner? There's just like so many ways to go about this, but how cool would it be if I did red with blue? I mean, I don't think I've done a smoky look in a really long time, so for this we definitely need to start off with our eyes again. So I'm going to be taking my NYX the brow glue. You guys already know if I don't have my brows laminated, I will make them look like they're laminated with this baby right here. We like to fake laminate our brows on this channel because if they're not laminated, I feel like my brows aren't popping. Oh my gosh, I'm almost running out. Do you guys see? I literally used half of the tube already. With this product, you have to kind of work a tiny bit fast because I do feel like it sets really quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for them to get tacky so I can just like set them down. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna be priming our eyes and I'll be taking my MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. This is in the shade NC10 and this is really, really light, but since my skin is crazy white right now, I'm gonna need something very light. So I'm starting off by blending this out, and when I come up here, I'm going to clean up my brows. I didn't feel really the need to clean up my brows because I've had my brows microbladed, so they're already like always freshly like cut, you know? If any of you guys have gotten microblading, let me know in the comments what you guys thought about it. I do have a few comments on it, but I feel like that's gonna be for like another video. But they've lasted me like a good 2 years, so I'm setting my eyes with some powder. Usually when someone's doing a smoky eye, they start off with like a transition color. To start off our transition, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and I'm gonna take just a little bit on a fluffy brush. This is my LA Girl 202. I usually use mostly LA Girl brushes, LA Girl and Morphe brushes. And you guys can also use my code Aidette10 if you guys want to purchase anything from LA Girl. You guys will see that I'm always, literally always using LA Girl. I'm just going to apply this, not really for it to be visible, but for me to know where my crease is and so I don't go overboard with the black. I just had like a crazy idea. So what if I was to do like the smoky eye and then I did like a crazy like bright pink liner, or if I did like a bright green liner? My brain's thinking. We're gonna be going in with the gray first. So I'm gonna be packing this on my lids first. I am so afraid right now because I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't know why, because it's the same concept as doing any other eyeshadow, but for some reason it scares me because I feel like if I do one wrong little thing, I'm busted. I normally never play with grays or really any dark colors. See, good thing we had that transition just so it wasn't just gray and then it looked all murky. Packing her on. Don't be afraid to go back in with colors if they faded out. You know how I feel inside right now? That one sound from TikTok that goes, I've been stung by a wasp. It's gonna look a little crazy right now. Now I'm gonna go back in with my transition color just so we can bring that color back in at the very top. This. I really wanted to play with another liner, but something is making me want to just use this glitter here and like spread it all the way up here. So I'm taking my Anastasia brush. I haven't used Anastasia brushes in a while. This one is the A3 And we're taking the black. When you're playing with black, be very light-handed because it could be very easy to mess up. Focus it on the bottom because I can always smoke it up. You know who does really good smoky eyes? Kiara does, my best friend. The fact that today I decided to do a smoky eye is just fate because I have these super cool red contacts that I've been wanting to use so bad. They're gonna be perfect for my TikToks today. I just think it's so funny how everyone used to make fun of TikTokers and now everyone wants to be a TikToker, and it's like, where was that energy before quarantine, huh? So I think I might have taken this one a little further than this one, so I'm gonna stop there. And then I'm taking the clean brush from earlier and I'm gonna be smoking it. Okay, this is looking good. Oh, that's actually looking good. Okay, the blend is nice. And finally back in with the brown transition shade and just further cleaning it up. And now we're going in with Inaudible Noise, which is the white shade. And I'm going to put it right here on the brow bone. Now for the part that's really just going to make this eye look stand out is we're going to be taking star emoji, and this is this beautiful glitter color. I swatched this in my past video on my finger. Let me just show you guys right now. And it is blinding. Like, I've never seen a glitter shadow that just sticks and is super perfect and reflective like that, ever. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to press it and so it can be all the way up here. It's literally gonna be the actual star of the show. So I'm just pressing this so it's all in the inner part of the eye, like literally all the way up. And then so it's blended out, we make sure we feather out the glitter this way, but we don't want to take it all the way into the eye. We just want to kind of make it gleam out that way. Yeah, I don't know what it was, but that color was just really calling my name. It's all about pressing the shadow and then just smearing it out, just so it literally has like that shooting star effect. Now I'm taking a little bit of black on my big fluffy brush and just kind of pressing it on the outer parts. Look at this, and this is just going to really enlarge the eyes. Oh my gosh, this is giving me like Lady Gaga. Now, I don't know if I want to do like a wing liner. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Kajal Auto Eyeliner, and I have to, absolutely have to, upper lash line just to make sure that everything is dark. A little mascara on our lashes. They don't have to be anything dramatic because the only reason I really take mascara under my lashes is so that my natural lashes stick onto my falsies better. I kind of feel like I want to add more of the star emoji, like just go ham with it. And now for the lashes, I'm sorry guys, I know you get mad when I don't say what lashes I'm wearing, but I'm wearing these. I don't know what brand this is. I honestly don't think that this had like a name on the box because I do have like a big collection of lashes and sometimes they just don't have names. While we're waiting for our lashes to tacky up, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. Just adding a few strokes of hair really makes a difference. And then I also like to extend the tail of my brow. This looks wild right now, but it's because we don't have the rest of our face on. And then going in with my NARS Salin foundation. This stuff is running out, you guys already know. Salin is really like my go-to shade from NARS when I'm winter white. I'm breaking out so bad, guys. I don't know if it's because it's that time of the month or because I've been wearing makeup like every single day, like filming back-to-back like makeup stuff. I get many comments saying, Aidette, trust me, you don't need that much concealer, but I like putting this amount on because I feel like not only does it add to the coverage that I have going on, but it gives me that bright under eye that I want. Okay, and now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier immediately right under my eyes. I like to put it everywhere where I would normally get creasing. I like to take my angled powder brush. This one's the LA Girl 105, and I like to press it into my skin. Come here, boy, stretchy boy, come here. You wanna say hi to everybody? Armani always likes to make an appearance in almost every makeup video. You wanna say hello? I'm using a stippling brush. This is the LA Girl 111. Now look how well this works. It just glides and applies the product so well. Also for like down here, I want to do just the liner. And for the nose, we always gotta snatch it. How did you guys almost let me forget to clean up my contour? We're gonna let this sit for a little bit, and now I'm gonna get my Mauve Muted blush from MAC. Okay, so this one here is perfect. This is Prism, and this is like literally the best color. I feel like that would go along perfectly with this look. Ooh, okay, I love that. And then I also like to take some like on the very bottom of my nose. I don't know why, like I've just started doing that. So I also wanted to try this one thing that I saw on TikTok where you do like, where you grab your light concealer on a tiny little brush and then you draw on a tiny little heart on the tip of your nose and then color it in with your favorite highlights. I feel like I put too much. I feel like I need to make the bottom like a little more pointed. Now for the actual highlight, I'm taking the Mary Luminizer by The Balm. And this highlight is more of like a pearl tone. Like a pearl champagne. That is so cute. So for my lip today, I think I'm going to use the same combo that I used yesterday, which is the Frankie Rose Apricot lip liner. And for the lip gloss, I'm using Barely There by AVANI's Morphe. This is the final look. I decided to actually put on the black AVANI lip liner slash eyeliner. I'm pretty sure you can use it for both. I just place it on the bottom waterline. And let me know what you guys want to see from me next, makeup wise, fashion wise. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.